या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण ग्रेट सायंटिस्ट क्लास 9th इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप आपण बघणार आहोत. तर चला सुरू करूया. क्वेश्चन 1 आहे, राईट व्हॉट इज द इम्प्लायड इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. आता ए, बी आणि सी या तीनही प्रश्नांची उत्तरे आपण लिहून घेऊया. तर क्वेश्चन 1 आहे बघा. ए, बट फ्यू नोन हिज इन्स्पिरेशनल लाईफ स्टोरी विच इज ऑल अबाउट करेज अँड फायटिंग अगेन्स्ट द odds. What does it tell you about Faraday's life? Answer. The above lines imply that Faraday was very courageous. He was born in a poor family. He suffered from a speech defect as a child. He had to struggle hard against all odds like no social status, no money, and no education. Even then, he worked hard and achieved a great success and overcome all his difficulties. So, his life will inspire many people to follow their dreams. Question B. Even then, David did not have much hope for Faraday. What do the words even the suggest? Answer. The words even them suggest that even after doing such hard work and getting knowledge and experience, Faraday proved his worth and dedication, but Davy was not hopeful about Faraday's scientific career because of his lack of education and social status. Question number C. People started telling Davy that of all his discovery, the best was Faraday himself. What does it suggest about Davy's work? Answer. The above lines implies that Davy never believed in Faraday's ability. Davy became jealous of Faraday when he became a celebrity scientist overnight. So people started telling Davy that Faraday himself was his best discovery. Next, question number 2. Break the passage into convention smaller section. Give subheading or titles to each. तर याच्यामध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन 2, 3 आणि 4 आपण पुढे बघणार आहोत. तर क्वेश्चन 2 सर्वप्रथम आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. तर क्वेश्चन 2चा आन्सर आहे फर्स्ट सेक्शन. मायकल फॅराडे इज रिगार्डेड ॲज प्रोड्यूस द फर्स्ट कन्सिस्टंट लाईट बल्ब. टायटल फॅराडेज चाइल्डहुड. Second section. That day in 1812, Faraday to see some Davy's leading experiments. Title Faraday's association with Davy. Next. यानंतर आपण थर्ड सेक्शन बघणार आहोत. Even them Davy did not have much, born out of mockery directed at Faraday. Title Faraday's invention of induction motor. Fourth section. Faraday became a celebrity scientist inspired him during difficult times. Title Faraday's failure. Fifth section. In 1829, Davy died and Faraday concept called polarization. Title Faraday's career. Sixth section. He then took the age-old experiment, it does not matter who you are. Title Association with Maxwell. Question number 6 I list the different gadgets and instrument mentioned in the passage. Find more information about at least 3 them using the internet. याचा आन्सर आहे गॅजेट्स अँड इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स फ्रॉम द लेसन. फॅन्स, एअर कंडिशनिंग, सेविंग मशीन्स, फोटोग्राफ्स, पॉवर टूल्स, कार्स, टेलिस्कोप, मायक्रोस्कोप, इलेक्ट्रिकल जनरेटर्स, डायनामोज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम एक्सेट्रा. आता त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट 3 गॅजेट्समध्ये आपण फर्स्ट घेतलेला आहे टेलिस्कोप्स. A telescope is an optical instrument using lenses, curved mirrors used to observation of remote objects by collecting electromagnetic radiation. At the beginning of the 17th century, the first known practical telescope was invented in Netherlands by using glass lenses. There are many types of telescope, for example, radio telescope, X-ray telescope, optical telescope, etc. Then next is fan. A fan is a powered machine used to create a flow of air. A fan consists of a rotating arrangement of blades, generally made of wood, plastic, or metal, which act on the air. Most fans are powered by electric motors. Question number 3, sewing machine. Answer: it is an machine used to stitch fabric and other material together with the thread. Sewing machines were invented during the Industrial Revolution to decrease the amount of manual sewing work. In a modern sewing machine, the fabric easily glides in out without the inconvenience. Next question, question number 4. Find out more about the following scientists with the help of the internet. आपल्याला इंटरनेटच्या साहाय्याने ह्या शास्त्रज्ञांची माहिती मिळवायची आहे. मायकल फॅराडे, हम्फ्री डेवी, थॉमस एडिसन अँड जेम्स मॅक्सवेल. The answer number in Maxwell Faraday. Faraday was born in a very poor family on 22nd September 1791 in 1812. He started attending lectures given by Humphrey Davy. He then applied to Davy for an employment. He worked as Davy's secretary. Faraday began his research in chemistry under Humphrey Davy. During this time, Faraday carried out many experiments and made new discovery in the field of chemical science. Humphrey Davy. Answer: Humphrey Davy was born in 1778. He was an English chemist, best known for his contribution to the discovery of chlorine and iodine. He made several reports on the effects of inhaling nitrous oxide, laughing gas. He invented the Davy lamp, which allowed miners to work safely in close contact with flammable gases. Next scientist is Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Edison was born on 11th February 1857 in United States of America. He is considered by many the greatest inventor of all time. Edison was able to patent more than 1,100 inventions. Among his incredible achievements, he is credited with changing the world forever by giving it the electric light. He also invented one of the first successful motion picture devices. Next is James Maxwell. Answer: James Clerk Maxwell, the great mathematician, was born in Edinburgh, Scotland. His most notable achievement was formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. Together, for the first time, electricity, he calculated the speed of light. तर अशा पद्धतीने आपण ग्रेट सायंटिस्ट आर प्रिव्हर्सिंग अँड नेवर डिटर्ड बाय डिफिकल्टीज या लेसनचा आपण संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप आपण बघितलेला आहे. हा व्हिडिओ जर आपल्याला आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा व चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.